Now there's one important point here when it comes to loving our friends. One major, mistake that many people commit is that they love some of their friends exceedingly. They exceed the limits and they begin to love them so much such that they share with them all of their secrets. Brothers and sisters, the Imam says, don't ever share all of your secrets, even with a close friend. This friend could be your BFF, your best friend forever, okay? That's fine. Don't share all of your secrets with him or her. You know why? Life tells us life is the best experience. Just ask the elders of the community and they can share with you many stories. One day this friend could turn against you. And he'll use these secrets against you and ruin you, your life and your reputation. The Imam alayhi salam says, when you want to share delicate secrets, sensitive secrets about your life, tell your friend your secrets, but with this in mind, that if one day my friend turns against me, could my friend use this secret against me? If he can, then don't say it. Keep it between you and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Why is it that we have to share our secrets with everyone? Don't share your secrets. One day this person will turn against you. And then what happens? You're in trouble. So love your friends if they are good friends, but be moderate, be very careful. Don't let that love blind you such that you share every single detail of your life and every single secret of your life. Especially sensitive secrets that could harm you if they were revealed, that could ruin your life. Make sure and be careful of that.